Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is your chapter 2, computer software. So we very well know computer has two parts, hardware and software, and without software there is no use of hardware. So we'll see in this chapter what is the importance of software and how many types of software are there. So let's begin with system software, application software. Let's just start the chapter.
Can you help me to prepare a chart on computer software? Yes, of course. System software. System software is a software which controls the hardware so that any application software can run and can be executed to perform various tasks mentioned by programmers. A system software runs and executes programs. It also monitors various other components of a computer system like CPU, primary and secondary storages, and other peripheral devices of PC. A system software communicates and controls peripheral devices like printers, scanners, webcam, sound cards, etc. Types of system software. Operating system. This acts as the primary interface between a user and computer hardware. It presents user a graphical user interface where the user can directly communicate or interact with hardware and software used in computer system. This system software manages and controls hardware and user inputs. Operating systems are also used in providing an interface for the development of application SW. MS-DOS, Windows, Linux. Utility programs. Utility programs, referred to as just utilities, are software programs that add functionality to the computer or help the computer perform better. These include antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, security, and networking programs. Antivirus, disk fragmentation, file compressor, device drivers. These programs are used to help better functionality of hardware devices, such as mouse, sound cards, and keyboards. Translators, these are those programs which translates codes, which are written in high-level or assembly language into machine language or that language which is easily understood by computer. Followings are the types of translators. Compiler. A program that translates an executable program in one language into an executable program in another language. Interpreter. A computer program that executes instructions written in a programming language and do not produces the executable file. Assembler. An assembler is a type of computer program that interprets software programs written in assembly language into machine language, code and instructions that can be executed by a computer. Application software. Application software is also called end-user programs or simply an app. It resides above system software. Application software is used by end-user for specific purpose. It is programmed for simple as well as complex tasks. It either be installed or accessed online. It can be a single program or a group of small programs that is referred to as an application suite. Application software can be used by user to complete specific tasks, such as creating word processors documents, spreadsheets, presentations, graphics, CAD/CAM, sending emails, etc. Different types of application software are word processing software. This software enables users to create and edit documents. The most popular example for this type of software are MS Word, WordPad and Notepad among other text editors. Database software. Database is a structured collection of data. A computer database relies on database software to organize data and enable database users to perform database operations. Database software allows users to store and retrieve data from databases. Examples are Oracle, MS Access, etc. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software allows users to perform calculations using spreadsheets. They simulate paper worksheets by displaying multiple cells that make up a grid. Excel. Lotus 1 to 3 and Apple numbers are some examples of spreadsheet software. Multimedia software. It allows users to create and play audio and video files. It is capable of playing media files. Audio converters, audio players, burners, video encoders are some forms of multimedia software. Example of this type of software include Real Player and Media Player. Presentation software. The software that is used to display information in the form of a slide is known as presentation software. This type of software includes three functions, namely, editing that allows insertion and formatting of text, methods to include graphics in the text, and a functionality of executing slideshows. Microsoft PowerPoint is the best example of presentation software.